Struggling to find the export button in Jira? You are not alone. It is honestly one of those features that feels hidden for no good reason. But in about 5 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how to export any project to a Word doc, an Excel spreadsheet, or even a plain CSV file. No more hunting around hoping to stumble onto the right menu. All right, here is the plan. First, we will jump into your Jira account and get the view filtered down to exactly what we need. Then, I will walk you through the menu path step by step. It is more straightforward than it looks, I promise. So, start with the first step. Open up your Jira account. Just go ahead and log in like you normally would. Make sure you are on the main dashboard or your project view. That is our home base for this. Now, look to the left side panel. You will see a list of options there. Go ahead and click on Filters. This is going to narrow down the view, so we are not exporting every single random issue across the whole site. It keeps things clean. Next up, once you have clicked Filters, you will see an option that says Open Work Items. Click on that. This is basically telling Jira, show me all the active stuff, the things that are currently in progress or unresolved. It saves you from exporting a bunch of completed tasks you do not need. Now, look at the very top of the screen. You will see a drop-down that says Space. Click on it. This is how we tell Jira exactly which project we want to pull data from. It is a crucial step, because if you skip this, you might end up exporting the wrong set of information. From that drop-down, scroll through the list and click on the specific project you want to export. In my experience, this is where people sometimes get tripped up. They click the first thing they see. But take a second here. Make sure the project name matches what you are looking for. All right, once your project is selected, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a little icon with 3 dots. Click on that. This is the overflow menu. It is where Jira hides all the good stuff like bulk operations and, of course, the export option we have been hunting for. When that menu drops down, click on Export. Now we are getting close. A new window or prompt will pop up asking you what format you want. Finally, choose your file format. You can pick Word, Excel, or CSV. I have tested all of these, and they all work well. Word is great if you need a clean report to share with your team. Excel or CSV is better if you plan to do data analysis or import the information somewhere else. Just click the one you want, and the download will start. It might take a moment to process depending on how many items are in your project, but that is totally normal. And there you have it. From not being able to find the export button to confidently pulling down the exact data you need in whatever format you want, you have got the full control now. Go ahead and give it a try.